up, guys? ECU Team here with you. I'm going to go over something with all of you that happens commonly in E-Series. Sometimes if a cast fails or a ignition switch slot fails, sometimes the key will get stuck inside the ignition. There's no way to get it out normally. Some people will try to pry. This is not right. Don't do that. Some people will try to grab this thing. You're going to break it. Don't do that. It's really easy. You just got to get the dash apart to the ignition slot. Okay. Take 2 screws out. Pull this module out. Disconnect this ribbon cable right here. Okay. And now you have this assembly out here. Pop this off right here. Okay. Torx. Take these 2 screws out. What's happening in here is there's a pin surrounded by a coil that goes down and locks that in there. All you gotta do is take this out. Just like that. That's it. Nice and easy.